Today we're going to take a look at this power supply kit that Adafruit sells. It's relatively easy to put together and the instructions are quite clear. However, I'm no longer a beginner, so my opinion might be a bit off on that subject. Okay, those LEDs are brighter than what I expected. This kit includes a small switch, a power connector, and a terminal block, screw terminal block for connecting it to a power supply or a power adapter. However, like we go around here. However, the input voltage is also exposed on this pin right here. As you can see, I'm using a laptop power adapter in this case, and on this other pin right here that's also marked V in. However, this voltage here is switched, so if you use these pins to power the power supply, you won't be able to use the switch. And the VIN pin goes after the reverse polarity protection diode that's included with this kit. When it comes to the accuracy of this power supply, I would say that it's quite good. This is the 3.3 volts position. Five volts. 5 volts. And finally, there's an adjustable position on which this trimmer can be used to set the voltage to whatever you need. I think it goes up to 20 volts and down to 1 volt, 1 something volts, about 1.4. And it should set it again back to 12. Close enough. Well, I personally like this supply. I'm not fond of how the pads for the pin headers that would connect to the power rails on a breadboard are located. First of all, if you use a breadboard that's not standard, for example one made by Wish, these won't line up. And as I mentioned before, you would have the full input voltage of the power adapter on the top, which could potentially lead to confusion and fried parts.